Okay, now let's talk about semicolons. This is one of my favorite parts of Swift. You do not need to put semicolons at the end of your lines for code to compile. So for example, I mean, in Objective-C, obviously this isn't Objective-C, but if you were to make a variable or do, I mean, any sort of thing, uh, you had to put a semicolon in the end like this, right? And it's acceptable in Swift. It's not going to throw an error, and the code will compile, but you don't need it. I mean, you can totally do without, and that's completely valid in Swift. One way to use the semicolon is if you do put it there, you can write another line here. So maybe you want to say dog name now equals Fido. So you can see how you can kind of, I don't know if this is the greatest way for reading code. I don't think this would necessarily be good practice, but you can see how you can do multiple statements in one line using the semicolon. But again, this is something that makes Swift extremely simple, and I love a lot, is that you don't need that semicolon. Death to the semicolon.